let's get a good diagram down for this question. So we've got a point P inside a rectangle, and the distance from P to one corner is 5, and its distance from the opposite corner is 14. So maybe I put it here, and then just draw this little line in, which is 5, and go into the other corner, 14. Then told that the distance from P to a third corner is 10. So I'll just say it's this one. It's not really going to matter. It's just a sketch to help us. And I want to work out this distance here. Okay, it doesn't immediately look obvious what to do, so you have to play around with it. Let's split it into 4 rectangles, because what that means is that these lengths become the hypotenuse of the diagonals of the rectangles, and hence the hypotenuse of right angled triangles inside them. So I'm going to say that this is A, B, C, and D, these lengths. And then I can say that A squared plus C squared is going to be 5 squared, or 25. Then B squared plus C squared is going to be 100. B squared plus D squared is 14 squared, which is 196. And A squared plus D squared, well, that's what I want to work out. If I can work out that, I can square root it, and I've got my answer. And I can combine these three to get that exactly. So I can actually, I can add the top one and the third one together, which will give me A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus D squared is equal to 221. But remember, I've also got B squared plus C squared is 100. So if I subtract these, I'll be left with A squared plus D squared equals 121, and that's what I want. Okay, I've managed to work out this length squared, and therefore the square root of A squared plus D squared, which is the diagonal of the rectangle, and hence this distance to the fourth corner, is going to be the square root of 121. It's going to be 11. So all nicely comes together. It's just obviously not obvious to do that. So I guess my advice is a good diagram, and then just think, how on earth are you going to use these somehow? You know, that red line there is where it's all about getting the diagonals, realizing to use Pythagoras, and then it kind of all falls together, I hope. Anyway, well done.